sugary sweet, with licorice seeds for kids to eat. The windows were jelly, so gummy and clear. They wobbled and giggled with cheer upon cheer. The horn gave a toot like a chocolate kiss. Riding this bus felt pure candy bliss. Lollipops spun on the roof up high. Marshmallow clouds floated close by. The driver, a bear made of caramel gold, sang, "Hop on quick, adventures bold." Gumdrop hills and rivers of fudge. The candy bus rumbled with a happy nudge. And every child who climbed aboard found sweetest dreams they all adored. It parked by a castle of peppermint towers, where taffy trees bloomed with rainbow flowers. The children laughed, their pockets full of jelly beans bright and caramels cool. The journey went on till the stars did glow through chocolate valleys